Okay. We're going fishing. Hi, babe. We going fishing?
All right.
We going fishing.
I know. I thought maybe there's someone living down there. It looks like they had a washer dryer. And
Hey, let's go.
then there's the outdoor shower.
Oh,
Yeah, I
nice.
saw that yesterday.
Maybe we gotta come back with the whole family or friend, you know?
There's probably a.
Walking on the street. Yeah. La, la, yeah.
See if it's on. Maybe they got it shut off.
I think they shut up right now.
That's off. Not turn the yellow handle up again.
It is come.
Wow.
Summertime. We can come in here. Huh, we gotta make our house like that.
Yeah. So this guy and his family.
Walking on the street. Bam ba bam 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 bam. 참 아름다워라. 주님의 세계는 솔로몬의 꽃보다 밝은 시냇물. Wow. Jungle. This is jungle. Poison ivy?
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, wow. There's a poison ivy?
Well, we go that way.
Honey, it has a path right there. Is it poison ivy? Are you sure?
Well, I guess you also made
Yeah, well, because there's a thing that goes right down to the river here.
There's also a bridge right over here.
A bridge?
Bridge right there, honey. Follow Ethan. Don't catch the tree, honey. Catch a fish. La da da, la da da la da da. Little bridge. I wish the long pants better. Woo! This is a dangerous bridge. Okay. Oh, cars here. Oh, they do camping too. Ooh, butterfly. Ooh, I didn't see the butterfly long time. Wow, what is this place? Wow, nice. Han, this is where's the connecting?
Oh my god. Wow. Oh, I bet it's cold. I don't know. We want to go down?
Yeah, down.
Oh.
We gotta go to this way.
Oh, cool.
I think this is the way they bring it out.
Did you hear that? Water.
Great.
I hope we catch a fish for lunch. But who gonna cleaning fish?
I think we're just gonna catch and release them.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna catch and release.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is a nice pet. But Ethan, I need your hand. Come on. Come on, don't leave me.
Sit down.
No! Wait. Okay.
Lean on my back.
Okay. Knee on me. La, 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 la. Thank you, Jesus.
Ooh,
Beautiful.
Oh, gorgeous.
Whoa, wow! Look at this. We can fishing. Where's the fish though? Water is so clean. This is better than New York, honey.
No way.
Yeah, Missouri is best.
Little things.
Oh my gosh, a little fish.
I know fish in this year river.
No, there is.
Daddy, and Ethan, look at me. This is the best Missouri, right?
Yeah.
Best living here. Missouri, we got everything.
The real Missouri stirring.
Wow. Missouri. Unbelievable.
funny, if you just look, you can just see the rocks. But if you look close, then all of a sudden you see these big old.
I think we gotta be a little deeper, honey, over there.
Yeah.
I don't know. I never living like this.
What are these tracks here?
It looks like people was here.
Looks like an
Deer?
animal.
No, it's a human feet.
No, it's a deer. Because I can see the two hooves.
See this?
There's a deer.
This right here.
Two.
There's a human, right? No.
Also could be
There's a dead tree.
probably a grizzly bear or something like that. And honestly, it might be a panda bear if I really think about it.
Oh yeah, over there. More deeper. Definitely deeper. Wow.